I want to show you how to use your calculator. We're going to use the third example in the problem. So if you want to write down those numbers, 122, 147, 133. The first thing to do is add the numbers and divide by 3. This gives you the mean. So let's see how to do that. I'm just going to prop my calculator up right here to show you. Okay, so what were those numbers? 122 plus, sorry about that, I'm trying to video and keep this still, plus 133. Make sure that you hit enter or equals at the end before you divide. Okay, because you need it to add them up and then divide. You can just hit divide by 3. If you don't have this calculator, the rest of them are the same, okay? They just look different. Okay, the next thing we need to do is to find the square root. Now, I apologize, I forgot what we were finding the square root of. Okay, so let's go back. We're going to find the square root of the 104.6667. Okay, so we need to find the square root of that. So the next to last step was the 314. So let me come back. I must have hit a button. So the next to the last step was this 314 divided by 3 when you're finding the variance. So I'm going to do 314 divided by 3. It's very important. Don't ever round your answers until the very end. Okay, so I need to take the square root of that. Okay, the square root is not its own button. It's usually a different button on top of another one. Okay, so what do I mean by this? Let's look down here to where you see the square root is on top of the x squared button. Whatever color it is, make sure you hit that color first. So how do I take the square root? You hit square root, or you hit the color, and then you hit that button. So what do I want to take the square root of? Take the square root of whatever the last thing you typed in was. 104.6666. Okay, and then close the parentheses. Do not round that 104 while you're doing this. Hit enter. Okay, so that is our answer. That's how you use the calculator to find the square root. Okay, whatever color it is, you hit that color first and then hit that button.